Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We are taking you on an exclusive tour of the Uburu Salt Lake, one of the most significant natural resources in our state, as part of a landmark collaboration between Ebonyi State and Salt Partners Limited. So yesterday, His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Ogbonnanwifuru, the Governor of Ebonyi State, issued a major directive. He instructed the Ministry of Solid Minerals and the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Business Development to partner with the Salt Partners Limited team, led by Mr. Vladimir Sedivi, to carry out comprehensive feasibility studies on the salt deposits in the state. It's a huge announcement that was made yesterday, which I brought the updates to your screens immediately, ASAP. This is an exciting move, you all, because it could transform our state economy and set us on a path toward economic self-sufficiency. As part of this game-changing directive, earlier today, the Commissioner for Commerce and Industry led a very long tour across the Uburu Salt Lake. You all know that Uburu Salt Lake is one of the most valuable salt deposits in Ebonyi State. And today we are here to show you what's really going on behind the scenes. We're also giving you an inside look at the groundbreaking work being done to unlock the full potential of these mineral resources. Uburu Salt Lake has long been regarded as a hidden gem, not just in Ebonyi but across Nigeria. The lake is rich in natural salt deposit and it holds immense potential to play a key role in the development of Ebonyi State economy. It's a source of pride for us, and with this feasibility study is just the beginning. With Salt Partners Limited's expertise in mineral resource development, the team is conducting in-depth research into the quantity and quality of salt deposits beneath the surface of the lake. But that's not all. The study will also look at the environmental impact, the logistics of mining, and the best practices for developing this resource sustainably. This partnership couldn't have come at a better time. Ebonyi State has been making significant strides in diversifying its economy, and salt is just one of the many resources that hold immense promise. Uburu Salt Lake alone has the potential to transform the local economy by creating jobs, boosting local businesses, and even attracting foreign investments. Right now, this lake is already a hub of activity. Many local families have been involved in the salt trade for generations, extracting and processing salt by hand. But imagine a future where modern technology and sustainable practices are applied to this resource, creating more efficient, larger-scale operations that can supply salt not just to Ebonyi, but to the whole of Nigeria and even beyond. This tour of the Uburu Salt Lake is a glimpse into a bright future for Ebonyi State. With Salt Partners Limited conducting the feasibility study, we're about to enter an exciting new era of mineral development and economic empowerment. And that's a wrap on this exclusive tour of the lake. It's exciting to see how this collaboration is unfolding. I'll be keeping a close eye on all the developments as they happen. We want to know, what do you think about the potential of Uburu Salt Lake? Do you believe that this project could be a game changer for Ebonyi State? Thank you for joining us on Ebonyi People TV. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.